What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm just going to be showing y'all how I customize my units before I install them. This hair that I'm showing y'all is by LuvmeHair. It's not really going to be too much of an in-depth review just because I did not purchase this hair, nor was it sent to me to review. This was my cousin's wigs that I was, wig for this video that I had to customize. But this is some bomb hair, by the way, like, period. LuvmeHair. Like, y'all did y'all thing with this wig. I believe it's a deep wave, and I think my cousin said it's like 18 inches. I'm not really too sure. I just know that you get a lot of goodies when they send their units. Some of the units come with like flat irons, y'all. She said they got free flat irons and everything. This lace was bomb. It came pre-plucked. Like, this hair was just bomb. So I'm just using my mousse to comb all the hair back and get it out the way so I can bleach the knots. Now, I do have an in-depth tutorial on how I bleach my knots, so I'm not gonna really, go in detail about that. I'm gonna leave that in the iCards for y'all, and I do have a video on how I pluck my units. Like I said, this unit did come pre-plucked, but I went in just a little bit more and plucked it just a little bit more. And I did over bleach these knots, y'all. I was using 40 volume developer and I left it on a little bit too long, but your girl's the finesse queen. I fixed it in the end. That's all that matters. So yeah, y'all will see all of that. And by the way, y'all, if I can, I'm gonna try to leave a link to this wig, but I ain't making no promises because I ain't buy it. I don't know the link and all that good stuff, but I'm gonna try to look for y'all. I just went in and conditioned the hair, and y'all, look at this freaking wig. Please don't play with LuvmeHair. Like, I'm finna go order a wig at this point, because when I tell y'all, this wig is so freaking bomb and natural looking. Like, look at those freaking knots, y'all. Like, that looks like scalp. But now I'm just parting the hair out so that I can pluck it. Of course, again, I have an in-depth tutorial on how I pluck my units. I believe it in the iCards for y'all, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch a little bit of how I pluck or whatever, and then we finna get into the juicy part of this video. So right here, y'all just see me trying on a wig because I wanted to do a side part on it. So yeah, I had to just put it on my head to just, create the side part before I finished all the rest of my customizing on the mannequin head. So that is what I'm doing. And I think that was a really good side part. Like I said, I over bleached the knots. We gonna fix that, so don't even talk about it. But I'm just showing y'all how the hairline looks right now. This hair was freaking beautiful. Now, I go in with my wax stick. We about to just work our magic on this wig, okay? I use the Keandraahzhane wax stick. Love it. Like, it's bomb. It's everything. So that is what I go in with. I don't know what I'm doing right here. I think I'm showing y'all another clip of the hairline. Anyways, so I went in with my Keandraahzhane wax stick. I put that all on the top of the wig where the part is, and I do put it on the actual like frontal part, the hairline part as well. And I go to work with my hot comb, y'all. Hot combing the mess out of this unit. I don't care what nobody say. A wax stick and a hot comb is just the perfect freaking combo to get your wigs laid and sleek. I don't care what nobody say, period. And occasionally, y'all, I will go in with my got to be glued freeze blast spray, just to set everything, usually at the end. But I'm telling you, all you gotta do is really take your time and just section the hair. Not even section it, just go through with the hot comb. Like, I'm telling y'all, your wig will be sleek. It will be sleek and it will be laid every single time. And yeah, so after I like to do like the bulk of the, the top where the parting and everything is, I'm gonna go in where the hairline is and also hot comb that. That just gives that, I don't know how to explain it, y'all. Just give it that sleek look all the way around. So yeah, I mean, it's really nothing else to it. Like, I think it's better to just watch what I'm doing. But like I said, I go all around with it, and I don't know, y'all, just give it that sleek look. I just can't explain it. I'm gonna just let y'all watch and just shut up because I'm doing a horrible job at explaining and I'm rambling. But y'all, this is all I do literally before I put my wig on. I try to style it as much as I can on a mannequin head so that when it goes on my head, it ain't nothing to do but just lay that boy down. As y'all see, like, look at that. That's all it was to it. That's all it was to it. I hope this was helpful in some way, shape, or form. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Shout out to LuvmeHair. even though my cousins and them brought this wig, y'all do y'all thing with this unit. I'll see y'all in my next video. Show me some love, I never had to let you go to the club with your boys.